Sunlight hits the chlorophyll molecule and excites the electrons. The photon energy is transferred from molecule to molecule until it reaches the pair of chlorophyll molecules known as P680. The energy in the P680 causes them to give off an electron, which is transferred to the primary receptor. P680 then gains the electron lost by taking one from an H2O molecule. The electron in the primary acceptor travels to the photosystem 1 through a transport chain into the P700 pair. During this process, a small amount of ATP is released. The electron is then transferred to the primary acceptor in photosystem 1, and the P700 gets a new electron from the light-charged chlorophyll molecules in photosystem 1. The P700 then regains this electron from an H2O molecule while pushing the other hydrogen ion into the concentration gradient and releasing an oxygen molecule. The electrons from the primary acceptor are then transferred to FAD. FAD then transfers these electrons to NADP+ reductase, thus creating NADPH. The hydrogen ions in the concentration gradient are then pushed through ATP synthase, changing ADP into ATP. The Calvin cycle begins when a CO2 molecule is bound to RUBP by ribisco. This new 6-carbon compound is split into two separate 3-carbon compounds. The 3-carbon compound then gains a phosphate from ATP and ADP is released. This now biphosphate carbon compound reacts with NADPH, releasing NADP+ and a phosphate, creating G3P, a sugar. ATP then reacts with G3P and regenerates RUBP and ADP.